everyone, this is Kimberly. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you regular bob style with a bang. Look at this. How legit is this? I love bangs and love classic bob style like this. This is how it looks. There is a little fine streaks in it. And this is made of 100% human hair, which is Brazilian Remy hair. So texture is very soft. It's very nice. And it comes the 4 colors, like this mixed brown and darkest black, a natural black, and dark brown. The bangs are so cute. Okay, let's start to take a look at the details. First of all, this is a regular wig, so there's no comb inside. That adjustable bands right here. And it has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. It is very lightweight. And I love this, how it looks like this. How elastic. Like this regular classic bob style, you can feel like just simple, but this is perfect for everyday wear, and you can make a lot style with this. Because this is the human hair, so you can apply heat on it, so you can make styles with your curling iron, flat iron, hot rollers, whatever. So you can make a flip up style like this, or flip in like this, or the straight like Cleopatra style like this. Or you can apply heat and make the dip wave style with the hot rollers. So I recommend this regular wig for all day wear. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you for everyone. See you soon. Bye.